Presiden ke BJP hakizala ba Ernest Mauri hin kesngi ulang ba kejing kulmar Manipur kan amdan jing ta AA ha kabayade bat kejing la jong keseng banyo jing job agani ke election Lok Sabha ke banwan ulang ba keseng kala syem kilat kelenti ke bapaka banwan ra biang iya ka syong shangan ha ka Manipur da ka benrap balap menolong ya shibun kejing kenduk lang rengkat breu jong gijat breu per da kinong ilam ke sorkar pedeng kan topi menteri ketenat ki kampo yeng u Amit Shah uba Mauri ulakam ba kejing kren na kinong mikmat ha Manipur kalong ka ba aimen sem bat ba seng kan yai bat ya kesit ka pamantah.
We have the meeting and the representative from Manipur also they are present there. They are very clear that this is the conflicts, yes, we know, but it will not. There is no impact, like it will not affect the election. That is a statement given from the people from Manipur. They are aware, they know better than us.
Keseng BJP